Shopify SEO tips to rank higher on Google. Why SEO matters for your Shopify store. Imagine a store with endless potential customers, but no one knows it exists. This is your Shopify store without effective SEO. SEO is your secret weapon to attract more organic traffic, boosting visibility and sales without relying on expensive ads. Picture this. You type "best running shoes" into Google and bam, your Shopify store appears at the top. This is the power of SEO. Keyword research. The foundation of SEO. Think about what your ideal customers are searching for. This is where keyword research comes in. Let's take a real example. A store selling handmade jewelry might target keywords like sterling silver earrings, personalized necklace, or boho bracelets. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ahrefs to analyze search volume and competition. This will help you prioritize keywords that are relevant and achievable for your store. On-page optimization. Optimizing your product pages. A compelling product title is like a catchy song title. It draws people in. Think handmade wooden wall clock, personalized gift versus wall clock. The first title uses keywords, highlights unique features, and is much more likely to attract clicks. Don't just list features, tell a story. A detailed description that highlights benefits and uses keywords organically will improve your product page's ranking. Off-page optimization, building links and authority. Imagine a party where everyone is talking about your store. That's what quality backlinks do for your Shopify SEO. Guest blogging on relevant websites, creating valuable content, and engaging on social media platforms can help you build those backlinks. Case study. A clothing brand created a blog post on sustainable fashion trends, linking back to their Shopify store. This increased their organic traffic and brand authority. Monitoring and analytics, tracking your progress. Use tools like Google Search Console and Google Analytics to see how your Shopify store performs in search results. Track your website traffic, user behavior, and conversions to understand what's working and what needs improvement. Imagine a dashboard that shows you your keywords performance, click-through rates, and conversion rates. This is the power of analytics, helping you fine-tune your SEO strategy. App suggestion. Superspeed. Web Vitals app can help you analyze and optimize your website for core web vitals, a crucial ranking factor for Google. This app helps improve page load speed and user experience. Consider using a Shopify app like SEO Manager for a streamlined approach to on-page optimization, keyword analysis, and technical SEO. Remember, a strong SEO strategy takes time and effort. Be patient, track your progress, and keep optimizing.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more valuable tips from Taranker.